Welcome to Art on Bear Mountain. My name's Tina and I'm going to work on an art project today. I submitted some paintings into an art show that we have in our little community, and normally I have them all done before I even write the title down, the dimension, the whole bit, but I wanted to do something different, so I went ahead and already in my mind saw what I wanted to do. I knew what the size and everything. I know the title. I know how much I want for it. So I submitted a painting that hasn't been made yet. So I'm going to do that today and finish it tomorrow. But real quick, this is what it's going to be. It's a bear, of course, and I've already sketched it out. And I'm going to take the jigsaw and I'm going to cut this out today. And then I might work on the eyes today. And then what I want to do is I want to do kind of like a flow art on the rest of it. So this is what the bear looks like cut out, and I'm going to go ahead and paint the eyes. I mixed 1 part to 3 part acrylic paint, and in each container I did add a little bit of water. Oh gosh, it's not flowing like I usually like it to flow. All right, it's the next day and the piece is dry. In fact, I worked on it a couple of hours off camera, just thinking maybe I can make it better, but I'm gonna sand it down and start all over. The reason being is everything looks dull, and I won't ever use this medium again. It's just not what I wanted. I have another piece in the house that was the effect I was trying to get. So this is the one in the house, and it just did some wonderful things. It's on wood, it's done with acrylic. I used the AirBrush medium, and it just flowed really nice, and the colors are nice and vibrant. So here I blocked off the eyes, added a little stencil work, and with my golden airbrush I added that probably the same ratio, 1 part to 3 part acrylic, and I've used it before and I've always had it work really well for me, so definitely this is going to be my medium of choice. That second time that I added the color with the airbrush medium in it, it worked a lot better. The colors are more vibrant, it flowed a lot better. I'm real happy with the effect. I still have to work with it a little bit. Let me show you the piece after a day after it's completely dry. Let me go ahead and pull it off of here because the table is so dirty it's hard to see it. So it still needs work, but it's a lot more vibrant. Some interesting things going on with the paint, but it's a lot better. So I'm definitely gonna buy some more of this airbrush medium. So I won't use this again. For me, it just doesn't have that marbling effect that I liked. I know other artists have had great success, but just for my personal preference, I'll never use this again for the marbling effect. I'm gonna call it done. That's all I can really do to it. It's got its personality, so I'm quitting on it. It's done. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Next time I will try to do a video where I'll slow it down a little bit and just show you the airbrush medium. I'll just film it as it's mingling so you can see a little bit of what it's doing. So it's kind of a fun process to watch. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch you on the next one. Bye.